I woke up and had a big stretch. Then a big noise from my owner to wake me up to give my poor stomach food. I live with a family that has 2 kids that play with me, communicate with them when I am hungry or tired. Sometimes I go for a walk with my owner in the morning. I am going to tell you something. Once I got lost because my owner, she left me in gate door. Then I saw a big dog looking at me, so I ran away. But my owner found me. Today is a happy, amazing day because the sun is out. Yay! So I think I will go for a walk today. I hope I don't get lost. The story of my life by Kitten
Katie.